Hello class. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Microsoft Word Pause and Practice 2-3. For this, you will need the completed file from 2-2, which is open here. And then let's go start. It's already open here. Let's go to task 2. Save the document as your initials, ppw 2-3. So go to File, Save As, Browse, your initials, ppw 2-3. Save your file. And then we go on to the next task, convert a text to a bulleted field. So select the 4 paragraphs below the experience heading below the city, state, and line. So I'm going to select the 4 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 paragraphs after this, okay? And then I'm going to click on Bullets button, which is in the Paragraph tab. Home button, Paragraph, Bullets button, and then I'm going to select Define a new bullet. Press the arrow that's here, and then define a new bullet. I'm going to select a new bullet. Click on the symbol button, and then make sure you go to the fonts, drop down, and select Wingdings. Wingdings is one of the fonts here, so select Wingdings and select the checkbox symbol, which is character 254. So the character 254 is here. If you leave your cursor here for some time, it will give you the number. For example, character code. If you click on this, it says 254. So this is the correct one. So check the checkbox, click OK. So it automatically selects that as the bullet. And then click OK for the symbol box and click OK for the defined bullet box. And then double click the Format Painter button and apply to education also. So let's go. So it all works out here. Right. So if this is not selected, you could go and select it. Okay. Right. Next one, click off the Format Painter box so it is off. Right, next let's go to task 4. Click to insert a page break in the document. Turn on show and hide. Show and hide is in the home tab in the paragraph tab. This is show and hide. Click on that. This just shows all the tabs, but this will not appear. All these symbols will not appear if you print it or if you view it. Okay, it's only for a guide. So place the insertion point in the front of the education heading, that is here. Education heading, click here and then select the layout tab and click breaks button. Layout tab, click the breaks button. So that's here, and then click on page break. So we want a page break here. So click on breaks and page from the drop down. So automatically it transfers this to a new page. So it gives you a new page break here. Okay, right. Next, let's go to task 5. Change the theme and the theme color of the document. Click on the design tab. The design tab is right here, and then select the themes button, which is the first one, and then select Ion as the theme. So go down to Ion, which is so we are in task 5, change the theme color. So click the design tab and from the themes button, drop down, select Ion, which is this. It automatically changes the theme colors. Then click on colors button, and then select red from the theme colors. Red is here, so select the red from the theme colors. Okay, so that is task 5. Let's go to task 6. Apply styles from the styles gallery. Select the name from the first page on the resume. So let's go up all the way and select the name from the first page and click on title from the styles gallery. So if you go to click on this and select title, home tab, in the style gallery. So we could select this one, which is the style tab. So it automatically converts that to heading. Okay, so let's click on that and select title, shaded, or title heading 1. So that's heading 1. Okay, let's select that, heading 1. Then next one is select heading 1 for profile, experience, education, skills. So for all the headings, we are going to apply heading 1. So let's go and type heading 1 for this again. Go select and say heading 1. And then again for this, you select, then say heading 1. Again, skills, heading 1, and references, heading 1. So it says for all of them, profile, experience, education, skills, and references, do that. And then apply heading 2, bold and italics subheadings in experience and education. So we go to experience here, and then we select it, and then we click heading 2. Click on this, select heading 2. So let's go on and select heading 1. Let's go and select heading 2. So in heading 2, apply style heading 2 to each of the subheadings in experience and education. So experience is a subheading, so you could go and apply um, heading 2 for this option. Okay, that is italicized heading 2. For education also, you could go and add, it automatically assigns heading 2 for that. Okay, right. Next, modifying a style, select the profile in the heading. So let's go to profile, select the profile, and then change a before paragraph to spacing 16. So we'll have to go to the paragraph, click on the paragraph, and then click before spacing to 16, and then right click the heading 1 style. Okay, click OK, and then go to heading 1 style in Home tab styles group. Home tab styles group, heading 1 style. Okay, so we could select that. So it just changes to heading 1 style. And then select update head 1, sorry, update heading 1 to match selection. So all you have to do is right click that and say update heading 1 to match selection. Right click. Then select California State University, and then all you have to do is, okay, next we select the California State University in the education column, and then change it to font 11. So if you go to font and change it to font 11 in the home tab, and then right click on heading 2. Heading 2, if you click on this, you'll be able to see heading 2, subheading titles, heading 2, and then select update to update heading 2 to match selection. Okay, and then save and close your document. That's the end of Pause and Practice 2-3. Thank you.